Brainjuice Media. Fuel your mind.
Welcome to our video on how self-care can transform your beauty from the inside out. Today, we'll explore the incredible benefits of prioritizing self-care and how it can enhance your natural beauty, boost your confidence, and lead to a healthier, happier you. Self-care is not just about pampering yourself, it's about nurturing your mind, body, and spirit. When you take the time to care for yourself, it reflects in your appearance. Reduced stress, better sleep, and improved mental health all contribute to a glowing complexion and radiant beauty. A consistent skincare routine is a fundamental part of self-care. Cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin can prevent breakouts, reduce signs of aging, and leave your skin looking fresh and healthy. Choose products that suit your skin type and address your specific concerns for the best results. Set aside time each day to complete your skincare routine. This daily habit will result in glowing skin and reduced stress. What you put into your body is just as important as what you apply to your skin. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can improve your skin's texture and overall health. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin plump and hydrated. Regular physical activity boosts circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Whether it's yoga, jogging, or a dance class, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Exercise not only enhances your physical appearance, but also releases endorphins that make you feel great. Remember to apply sunscreen if you plan on exercising outdoors. Stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your appearance, leading to breakouts, dull skin, and even hair loss. Incorporate stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or journaling into your daily routine. Reducing stress can help maintain your beauty and promote overall well-being. Sleep hygiene. Beauty sleep is not a myth. Getting enough rest is crucial for cellular repair and regeneration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable to wake up feeling refreshed and looking your best. Self-compassion and positive thinking. The way you talk to yourself matters. Practice self-compassion and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Embracing a positive mindset boosts your confidence and inner glow, which naturally enhances your outer beauty. Incorporating self-care into your daily life can profoundly transform your beauty. By nurturing your mind, body, and soul, you'll not only look better, but also feel better. Remember, true beauty starts from within. Thank you for joining us today. Take care of yourself and let your natural beauty shine through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on self-care and beauty. Until next time, stay radiant.